References. Edit. Carrot Dundu, Sangeetha Devi, the 12th of April 2021. Nivetha Thomas, an acting Pallavi in Vakil Saab, came with responsibility. The Hindu. Carrot, Nivetha Thomas is still getting used to attention. The Hindu. The 6th of July 2017. Retrieved the 23rd of September 2020. Carrot at I_Nivetha Thomas, the 3rd of November 2017. Reliving the 2nd of November 1995 smile tweet via Twitter. Carrot, happy birthday Nivetha Thomas, Ninnu Kori, to Broshevarevarura, 4 must-watch films of the actress. The Times of India. Retrieved the 2nd of November 2022. Carrot jump up to AB, we are perfect the way we are, we just don't realize it, Nivetha Thomas. The Indian Express. The 27th of September 2019. Retrieved the 4th of March 2021. Carrot, Kamal sir was impressed with my mark sheets too. The New Indian Express. The 15th of February 2017. Retrieved the 4th of March 2021. Carrot, Kerala State Film Awards announced. SIFI. The 4th of June 2009. Archived from the original on the 22nd of October 2011. Retrieved the 12th of April 2011. Carrot, Kerala Box Office, June-July 2012. SIFI. The 1st of August 2012. Archived from the original on the 18th of June 2014. Retrieved the 15th of April 2014. Carrot Nair, Parvati, the 11th of November 2011. Niveda, battling against all odds. The Times of India. Archived from the original on the 8th of July 2012. Carrot, Malayalam Cinema, first half of 2013 progress report. SIFI. The 6th of July 2013. Archived from the original on the 8th of July 2013. Retrieved the 15th of April 2014. Carrot jump up to AB, Nivetha Thomas in Mohanlal Vijay's Villa. The Times of India. The 4th of May 2013. Archived from the original on the 7th of May 2013. Retrieved the 15th of April 2014. Carrot, Nivetha on Cloud 9. Deccan Chronicle. The 15th of April 2014. Retrieved the 15th of April 2014. Carrot, mine is not just a sister role, Nivetha Thomas. The Times of India. The 5th of July 2013. Archived from the original on the 3rd of December 2013. Retrieved the 15th of April 2014. Carrot Vijay's sister is Kamal Hassan's daughter. The Times of India. The 17th of August 2014. Retrieved the 28th of July 2016. Carrot, Vikram Kamal Hassan's last 5 movies box office stats. The Times of India. Carrot, movie review Papanasham, a fulfilling experience and a must-watch film. Deccan Chronicle. Retrieved the 7th of July 2015. Carrot Jonalageda, Pranita, the 30th of September 2015. Nivetha Thomas in Nani, Indraganti's Next. The Times of India. Archived from the original on the 21st of June 2016. Retrieved the 21st of June 2016. Carrot Jaydeva, Rental, the 15th of March 2016. Vekavi Kadam. Awaiting this summer. Sakshi in Telugu. Archived from the original on the 16th of March 2016. Retrieved the 19th of June 2016. Carrot Ramadugu, Mrijula, the 18th of June 2016. Gentleman Review, Nani and Nivetha are the stars of this gripping thriller. First Post. Archived from the original on the 19th of June 2016. Retrieved the 19th of June 2016. Carrot Shriram Purnima, the 19th of June 2016. Review, this gentleman is a game changer. The New Indian Express. Archived from the original on the 19th of June 2016. Retrieved the 19th of June 2016. SIIMA 2016 winners. Archived from the original on the 14th of July 2016. Retrieved the 1st of April 2017. 1C. Krishna the 2nd of November 2016. Nivetha Thomas elated to pair up with Nani again. The Indian Express. Retrieved the 11th of August 2019. NINNU Corey movie review. The Times of India. The 7th of July 2017. Retrieved the 18th of November 2019. Ninnu Corey movie review, a heart-touching one. The Times of India. The 7th of July 2017. Retrieved the 18th of November 2019. Junior NTR to have Nivetha Thomas as his leading lady in Jaya Lava Kusa. The Indian Express. The 13th of April 2017. Archived from the original on the 14th of June 2017. Retrieved the 22nd of June 2017. Jaya Lava Kusa crosses 50 days at box office, becomes third highest grossing Telugu film. Hindustan Times. The 9th of November 2017. Archived from the original on the 14th of January 2021. Retrieved the 12th of January 2021. Jaya Lava Kusa review, watch the movie for Junior NTR's absolutely brilliant performance. Siffy. Archived from the original on the 21st of September 2017. Retrieved the 12th of January 2021. Nivetha Thomas to romance Naveen Chandra. The Times of India. The 12th of March 2014. Retrieved the 15th of April 2014. Naveen Chandra's next film goes on flaws. The Times of India. Retrieved the 15th of April 2014. Swasa, starring Nikhil and Nivetha Thomas releases its concept poster. The Times of India. The 19th of October 2018. Retrieved the 18th of November 2019. Kalyan Ram's 118 post-production in its final stage. The Times of India. Retrieved the 26th of February 2019. 118, The Curious Nightmares. The Hindu. Retrieved the 26th of September 2020. 2019 Lo Bhari Vasullu Rabattina Cinemalai. Highest grossing films of 2019. Sakshi in Telugu. The 31st of December 2019. Archived from the original on the 31st of December 2019. Retrieved the 6th of August 2020. Nivetha Thomas roped in for role opposite Sri Vishnu. The Times of India. Archived from the original on the 6th of September 2023. Retrieved the 28th of November 2020. Jersey to Broshevarevarura, 7 best films of Telugu cinema in 2019. India Today. The 29th of December 2019. Archived from the original on the 29th of December 2019. Retrieved the 30th of December 2019. Broshevarevarura review, a rip-tickling dark comedy with a brilliant cast. The News Minute. Retrieved the 31st of October 2020. Rajnikant starrer Darbar to hit screens on January 9th. The Indian Express. The 30th of December 2019. Archived from the original on the 19th of September 2020. Retrieved the 31st of December 2020. Darbar enters 200 crore rupees club, third Rajnikant film to achieve feat. Hindustan Times. The 21st of January 2020. Archived from the original on the 21st of January 2020. Retrieved the 22nd of January 2020. Karat Kumar Karthik, the 9th of January 2020. Darbar movie review, quintessential Rajnikant movie with its highs and lows. Hindustan Times. Archived from the original on the 29th of January 2021. Retrieved the 31st of December 2020. Karat Nyayapati, Nishita. Nani, Sudhir Babu, Nivetha Thomas, Aditi Rao Hyder's V wraps up shoot. The Times of India. Archived from the original on the 15th of April 2021. Retrieved the 28th of January 2021. Karat Janani K. The 20th of August 2020. Nani and Sudhir Babu's V to release on Amazon Prime Video on September 5th. India Today. Archived from the original on the 24th of August 2020. Retrieved the 28th of January 2021. Karat, V movie review, Nani, Indraganti Mohana Krishna reunite for a colossal mess of an action thriller. Hindustan Times. The 5th of September 2020. Archived from the original on the 5th of September 2020. Retrieved the 5th of September 2020. Karat, Nivetha Thomas begins shooting for Pawan Kalyan starrer Vakil Saab. The Times of India. The 6th of October 2020. Retrieved the 4th of March 2021. Karat Vyas, the 6th of April 2021. Pawan Kalyan's Vakil Saab movie pre-release business report, www.tehansindia.com. Archived from the original on the 6th of April 2021. Retrieved the 8th of April 2021. Karat, Vakil Saab Collection, Blockbuster. Pawan Kalyan comeback movie sets box office on fire. See Business. The 11th of April 2021. Archived from the original on the 11th of April 2021. Retrieved the 11th of